Folks, not sure what this is. Thickness is NS. Thickness is NS. Intermodal train 212 about to come. Northbound past intermediate signals at Duke Power. And that's Charlotte District Mainline, Harrisburg, North Carolina.
I don't know why I made it for.
Don't leave that stuff laying.
I'm gonna take
And
it
towards
with
the
me.
vehicle.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the stuff with me.
Okay.
But the indent to the ground that's gonna be there, I carved in across.
Look at that blanket off for you. You don't need it. It's too hot for that blanket.
I don't know. It somehow cools me off. How? I don't know.
Hind wide. Hind wide. Excuse me, folks. We've got a hind wide here. What was the ID on this? Hey, what's the ID on this thing? Folks, this is a hind wide train. What a treat. Really, hind wide. Hind wide. Anybody know what this ID is? Folks, I don't know what this ID is. Might try to find out later. Wow, this is cool, folks. Got a convention over here. Folks, I'm sorry, I did not know the idea of this. I did not know this was coming. And we got NS Norfolk Southern hind wide train heading northbound past intermediate signals, Duke Power. And that's Charlotte District Mainline in Harrisburg, North Carolina. Thank y'all very much for watching. God bless. And a caboose on the rear too.